Wham! Yes, it might sound and look silly, but you gotta start somewhere if you're trying to make some unboxing videos. Why not start with the very much basics, the real Ultra Pro sleeves for your cards. Yeah, doesn't happen that much that you buy a whole thing of these, I guess. So I'll open this for putting cards in for Pokemon, Schwarz, Force of Will, and also something that might surprise some of you, but I've been having lots of these lately. It's called checkies. You know, those ones that you can take in Japan. For example, if you visit the Maid Cafe, it's here, but also if you're gonna see some bands, and you can take those checkies with members of the bands or with the whole group. And I've got like plenty of them this time I visited Japan, so I gotta keep them safe in these kind of things. So yeah, each box of these contains 100 of them. Normally in a shop you could buy one whole, but most of the time you see them like this. This like a display. You can fold this shit up, and then they pop out like this. Well, these are like 100, and this is what they look like. You know, like your basic tree. You have a line on this side. You can place some also here, but only one side, like the front side, is a place where you can put them in. Except for this one, because it doesn't matter if you have it at the front or the back, you can still put your cards in here, but these sides are all closed, of course. And this was my first unboxing video of the Pro sleeves. See you next time with Pokemon, Force of Will, Kankura, Schwarz, and whatever comes up to mind. See ya. And by the way, I'm enjoying, while making this video, a lovely bowl of self-made ramen or noodles. So, itadakimasu. Ja.